Welcome to a new wide world of nature. Today, this angry Sasquatch is going on a rampage because two hunters stole his precious diamond, aka his softball. Okay, so here he is. I just like this guy. I hope he's fun for you out there too.
Oh, Dad!
Please comment on how you think of these Sasquatch. They threw the diamond down there. Oh no! Oh! Here he is. Okay, he's a little out of focus. I'm touching him. No, he's pounding the. Okay, he was just pounding the camera onto the steps. Here he is now. Okay. Okay. Shh. Pay attention. Pay attention for more of killing. No, back. No. Okay, I'm following him. Oh, we're back. You went to that squatch. You so cute. Who can talk? Again, a rare species, as you can see in my last video from the Homo sapiens. Oh, my stomach. Oh man, down the stairs. Oh man. Oh no. Rampage. Okay, let me just taunt him. Hey! Okay. Hey, wait, fella. Want the ball? Here. Don't pay attention to him, folks.
Myself. I was trying to catch a kid. You were lying.
Here. Hey, what you got? You want white world of nature? It's knocked out. Here is the little guy. Maybe a little blood. Let me see if he's alive. He's dead. He's dead. Either he's in a coma and passed out from that bump on his head. You never know when he's going to. I said you never know when he's going to. Never know when he's gonna. Come on. Okay. Come on. Oh, I got a bad feeling about this. As quoted by the movie Jaws. If not, please comment or tell me what that line was from. Oh man, his legs are moving. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Here we go. Come on. Come on, you little devil, you. Come on, I can't exceed over 10. Come on. Oh no! He's alive! Yes. No. Okay. Okay. This has been Wide World of Nature. Bye.